Welcome back to my channel guys. Today we will talk about the 43rd annual general meeting by Reliance Industries. As the event started, Mukesh Ambani welcomed their new and esteemed partners Facebook, Qualcomm, Intel and many more. They were delightful to announce Google as their new partner. Mukesh Ambani said Google will invest 33,737 crores for a 7.7% stake in Jio platforms. Jio said a thank you because they have the largest customer base in India. One of the main highlight of the show was when Mukesh Ambani said Jio has a complete 5G solution from scratch. Trials will start soon and they will be ready for field deployment by next year. He said that he will dedicate this 5G solution to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Atmanirbhar. Last year they announced Jio Giga Fiber and Jio Set-Top Box, which was a streaming service, but this time they are back with Jio TV Plus. They showed the new interface of Jio TV Plus, having all your favorite applications at one place. You can search anything and get a result which is integrated from all your applications. Instead of logging in individually in specific applications, you can use one Jio account to log in most of your applications. Jio has also included a lot of TV channels in Jio TV Plus. Using this box, you can vote for polls and other stuff in real time. Now they have a separate store for all their TV applications. Developers can easily add new applications by visiting developer.jio.com. They also introduced JioGlass, which was one of the major announcements of this event. They did not reveal the price, but the key features are here. They said it has a weight of 75 grams, it has a high resolution display and personalized audio. If you will call someone having JioGlass, it will show a 3D view and on the other side you can see a 2D view. You can talk about presentations in a digital way. It also has 25 built-in applications. You can also use AR technology for 3D virtual rooms and holographic classrooms. They also introduced JioMeet application for classes and meetings. They explained how JioMeet will be useful to you in the field of education. For better experience in an offline classroom, Jio introduced a new platform called Embibe. This is the interface of the Embibe application. You can even go back and study the stuff you missed. They want this Embibe application to spread as fast as possible so that students can study in a more better way than ever before. Machine learning will help you show predicted results from your upcoming exam. Jio Giga Fiber and Jio Meet will help you for a seamless online consultation from a doctor. Jio Health Club will help you book online consultations, securely store health data and book lab tests. They also showed that how 5G will help you in day-to-day life, how it will help farmers, cars and other stuff using 5G. They also mentioned with the help of WhatsApp and JioMart you can order your daily necessities directly from WhatsApp. When Jio launched 4G, they also provided an affordable smartphone with 4G support. This time, Jio is working with Google to launch Android-based smartphone operating system which supports 5G. JioMart Beta is already in 200 cities with 250,000 orders per day. And with time, they are bringing more categories to JioMart. In 2027, Reliance's 50th anniversary coincides with India's 80th independence anniversary. Mukesh Ambani says that this is not a coincidence. This is the relation between New India and New Reliance. That's it for the video. See you in the next one.